that chicken's gonna be.
You know, I reckon that might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake, how would a turkey's egg get in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
Well, we'll just have to wait and see who he takes after, won't we?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, we must fly. I promised the rooster that I'd help with count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Well, where else do you suppose I'm gonna be? As a duck, when you're stuck, start sitting in the middle of your nest, and at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my room. No need to head so soft and hearing, but all golden around the ears, constantly only waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try and do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would. Get my ducks decked out and living in style. Morning, Marie. How's the matter to me? She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I would have been better off paired with a decoy.